Hey guys, it's Kelly, and today, very excited to bring you a 2021 Mercedes Benz AMG GLB 35. That, my friends, is a name. So this car was sent to me by Mercedes Benz, thanks, to review for the week. So I have put her to the test and I am ready to share with what I know. But first, if this is your first time joining me, hey, I'm Kelly and I'm the car mom. I review cars for moms and for families. I am a car salesman, a mom, and a certified child passenger safety tech. So now that introduction is out of the way, let's get into this beautiful car. Let's start with the exterior. I love things and I hate things, right? Like, who doesn't love a giant ass Mercedes logo? So cute. I love the chrome grille right here as well. I think that looks awesome. Another cute little Girl Scout badge right there, looks great. Some kind of subtle hood lines. Going around to her side profile, she's a compact SUV. It's a little bit wagon vibes. I'm not hating it because it's very sporty wagon vibes. Loved the blackout wheels, those look sassy. Come around to just all blacked out elements, which I think gives the car a really sleek look. Let's move along to her back end. A little simple. I do like the AMG badging right here. That just basically means extra sassy, extra sporty. Very cute. Overall, a little boring in the back and kind of wagony vibes. Leave a comment down below. Are you liking this exterior? Are you not liking it? I'm kind of mixed at it. As I was driving it for the week, sometimes I would be in the Target parking and I'd be like, oh, that's a good looking car. I'd be like, oh, it's my car. And then other angles I was like, oh, looks like a wagon. I'm conflicted, help me decide. All right, let's look at the interior. This car, let me tell you something, she's beautiful. So many amazing design elements in this car. Let's start with the door panel. I'm here for the red leather, because like, why not? We also have some beautiful carbon fiber detailing. This is called carbon fiber. Impress your husband and friends today when you know what that is. Some great side cubbies right here, very deep. All of our seat controls are right here, which definitely takes some getting used to because I'm the kind of person who like constantly changes their seat. I don't know why, like I just can't seem to be bothered with the exact same seat. So I find myself searching for that a lot. Ventilated and heated seats are amazing. This car comes fully loaded. Now it's kind of expensive. It's got an MSRP of $64,000, but with $64,000 you get some amazing safety features. One of the safety features that I really liked that I used a lot this weekend was lane keep assist. So the car actually reads the lanes of the road, like you can figure out where the lines are, and then if I were to start swerving too much, it would beep and kind of slightly pull me back into the lane. It's actually really awesome. I love any of that crash prevention features because as moms, we can be distracted drivers. Not because we want to be, because my daughter was screaming and I was just like trying to focus and I got a little sidetracked. So I'm happy that this car comes so fully loaded. Another thing that's kind of cool is all these steering wheel controls because you really can do just about everything from the steering wheel. So there's a lot of different ways to control the screen. It's a touch screen, you got a trackpad down here, we'll talk about that in a second, but you also have these little things that can also control the dash and this as well. They're just kind of like sensors, so they would take some getting used to. But I love all the customization that the screen offers. This infotainment system, I mean, it's just gorgeous. It's so customizable. I love how everything's a touch screen. And I was like, oh, this is so user-friendly, easy to use. It's got Apple CarPlay, got Android Auto. It has a amazing, and I mean amazing, let me find it, pause for the cause. I don't know why ambient lighting just makes me feel a certain type of way. I love ambient lighting. I think it's so fun and customizable. You can do so many different things with this car. Colors, cute, watch this. Multicolor, anything you want, you can pick it. Like, you know, I could get the exact shade of car mount blue that I'm looking for. So fun. And then they have multicolor that they literally already have in here for you. Sun yellow, jungle green, red moon, ocean blue. I mean, are you kidding me? Like, what's your mood? It's like a mood ring in here, guys. You know what? You set colors. You tell your husband, if the lights are red, find me later tonight. If the lights are green, don't go anywhere near me. Or maybe reverse those. I don't know. You have to decide that for your family. But I'm just telling you, this car is a mood ring and I'm obsessed with it. Okay, let's move down here because then there's things I'm not as excited about. Well, first of all, these are stinking darling. Wireless charger right here. Okay, cool. 2 cup holders, kind of lame. Made lamer by whatever these do. I guess if you had like a smaller cup, they could keep it in there. That's fine. USBs right here. This is the one that would control the Apple CarPlay. 12 volt right there. And then we go into the biggest waste of space I've ever seen. So trackpad. So not only is this trackpad giant to control this thing, first of all, let me tell you something. I can't even figure out how to control this thing. It's too touchy, it's not safe, and it's a touchscreen. So why would I not touch it? And you're like, oh, I don't want to touch it because I don't want to get fingerprints. It's like, get a microfiber cloth and wipe it off in between drives. This is so annoying. It's so big. And then they made it bigger by giving me a wrist rest. Well, I don't know if this is just me, but why is my hand over it? I don't like this. Give me a cup holder. Give me a phone cubby. Give me something else. Because as I was driving this car for the weekend, if I had 2 drinks here, you can't put your phone there because then you're over drink. So then where does the phone go? So then I would throw my phone here accidentally and then I'd change the radio station. Just not obsessed. And I know you're like, that's so picky, but like that's who I am. Not my favorite. Center console, pretty small, but it's kind of a small car, so I'm not that mad about it. 2 USB-Cs in here as well. Love the red seats again. These are cool. These like little leg extenders. So if you're a tall driver especially, you can get some more knee support. This came in handy. Darling panoramic sunroof, looks great, lets in so much natural light. Let me take a deep breath and let's hop in the back seat. Let's start with the car seat setup. Pretty basic. 2 sets of lower anchors, 3 tether anchors. I have 2 car seats installed, a Kleck Foomp installed rear facing and a Kleck Ling installed rear facing as well. These are my kids' personal car seats. They drove around in these for a while. Here's the thing, I'm really tall. I'm about 6 feet tall. I barely have enough room, so just something to consider if you are a taller driver and you're going to have rear facing car seats. This could get kind of difficult. It fits, it's fine, but like I'm not singing any songs about it. On this side should be my daughter's Kleck Ling, but because I don't have her today, I left her with her car seat. So imagine a pumpkin seat here. I'm telling you, it works, it fits. It actually fits better than this one because this seat's a little bit more compact. Now you're probably wondering, can you fit in the middle, Kelly? And that's what I'm about to attempt, live. Never done this before. Never done this before. Does not look promising. Oh, hold on now. Let me see. Let's see. Problem is, I'm literally sitting on the seat belt. So, you know, I'm buckled. I'm not very comfortable. Do I think this car could fit 3 car seats? I honestly don't know. I didn't try. Would I ever buy this car if I needed 3 car seats? 100% not. As far as my backseat amenities are concerned, however, we've got 2 of the tiniest little vents I've ever seen in my life. They're so tiny. Here's the key for reference. That's so sad for me. I do not have a lot of ventilation back here. No sunshades, kind of a bummer. Again, I like the red seats. I think those are looking kind of cute. I like that I have a middle head restraint. I'm just a little tight. It's a compact SUV. So do I think it's fabulous for 2 kids? No. Do I think like if you've got 1 kid or you're done having kids or you're a dog mom and you want to rip a Mercedes, I think go for it, sister. Let's check that trunk out. Okay, let's take a look at the trunk. Sorry, it's a little dirty. All right, so here we have an Up Baby Cruise stroller. Fits great, kind of as I was expecting. I could take that seat out and compact it any more. Not a ton of trunk space, again, compact SUV, so for the car size, I like the amount of trunk space that I have. Let me take this stroller out. Let's take a peek-see under here. It's not bad. But it's like, what are these things? Like, can I just throw a diaper bag on top of there? I don't know if I would do that. I don't know what any of these things do, to be honest with you. Cargo cover, love that for protecting valuables. Overall, like the trunk for the size of the car. So let's talk a little bit about the drive of this car. Is it amazing? Of course, it's the Mercedes Benz AMG. It accelerates like no one's business. It handles great. It's a super fun car to drive. You don't feel like you're in an SUV, which I love. So thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up and comment below about which car I should tour next. Talk to you next time.